Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We are on to our next palette for unboxing, and I'm going to show you what's all in here. All right, so we've got this next giant palette. Let's see the specs on it so you know exactly what I kind of expect to see in it. This is a bulk.com palette of brand new. Usually I buy the uninspected returns, but I actually got a brand new palette. 104 items in this palette: dolls, stuffed animals, women's apparel. And I would not have normally chosen this one before, but because I'm doing so well on Poshmark, that's kind of why I picked something with apparel in it. It doesn't retail for a lot. $1,980 is the original retail. I'm hoping I can get a little bit more than that out of it, but we'll see. The part of the reason why I bought it with such low retail is because I got it at a discounted rate. For those of you who've been watching, I got an opportunity to go down to the bulk.com warehouse and pick up the palette myself instead of paying the $200 shipping. So my cost was $219 for the palette. $76 in shipping is what I calculated with buying the truck and paying for the gas and all of that. So $295 was my total profit payment. $2.85 per item. Let's see if the items in here are worth more than $2.85. If you were to buy it online, your cost would have been $219, just like me, $200 to ship it straight to your door, $419, $403 per item. So per item, you can definitely see the difference. But they don't offer customer pickup right now, but hopefully with my guinea pig moment of being able to pick up, we can do that in the future. So let's get in here and see what we find. So I picked these up from the Tennessee bulk.com warehouse when I did a warehouse tour. So if you haven't seen any of my tour videos, check it out. It's very, very interesting to see how they kind of sort things. So I want to be careful not to cut through anything, especially because I know that there's clothing in here. Get this all the way open. The good thing I'm not any shorter. Ooh, I see some stuff that I like. All right. So I think this is a Target palette. So we've got a lot of our generation dolls, which are basically the American Girl knockoffs is what they are. I think My Life is what Walmart sells. Our Generation is what Target sells. So we've got a bunch of those. So let's just start stacking them up and see what we got in the different kinds. So this is a cute little red-headed girl. So I'm just going to start stacking them over here so you can see them real well. Same kind. I guess they want to buy dolls that look like themselves. I guess there's not as many redheads out there because these are all the redheaded little cute girl. I wonder
Joy.
what. Joy. Little Joy. All right, Joy with red hair and blue eyes, it looks like. So far, we're up to 5. 6. Same girl, I believe. Yep, 7.
Hope she's a good seller.
Let's hope. 8. If not, check my hookedonpickin.com store because they're going to be there. I'm sure I'll save some for there too. You know, even if I can send some into Amazon, I'll probably save some for my hookedonpickin.com store. So go ahead and check those out. So I'm just going to keep pulling out these guys because they're all right on the top. So yeah, if you want to take a look inside the palette and see what else I got kind of going on. It looks like I got some Christmas fleece PJs, and they look like they're in great condition. So those will definitely be Poshmark unless I can find them on the Amazon.com website, and then I'll definitely sell them there. So I'm going to keep still pulling these out to get them all out. I think I'm going to end up with an entire table of Joy dolls. I'll just be covered up in joy. All right, let's see what these look like. So it looks like these are robes. To me, they look like robes. Yeah, it looks like robes. Ladies gray robes. So I'm not sure if they're different sizes, so I'll definitely have to check that because they do have, these have the same barcode. So they may all be that's a large, it looks like. Let me see. This one's a large. This one's a large. So it looks like these are all the same size as well. So okay, so the bummer is if they're not worth anything, then
you got a bunch of it.
I got a bunch of it. But the bonus is if it is worth anything, it won't take me any time to list it all because it's all the same thing. So, craft sticks. Are these worth more than let's look over here, $2.85 per item? I think not. These are probably $1. So anyway, craft sticks. Put those there. Here's a Mancala game. I do know that I can't find these. I put these a lot in my mystery boxes. So if you haven't bought one of my mystery boxes, I put a lot of the brand new games that I get. The reason I can't find those is it's just generic brand, but it's still a really nice game set. Oh, here's a game called Rollers, a game of matching die and scoring high. That's a nice one. We'll go ahead and set this over here. Here's another one, exact same game. And look, more joy. I'm just getting more and more joy in my life. It's gonna be a whole video of just pulling out these joy dolls. Well, next time I see our generation on the bulk.com listing, I'll definitely know that it has to do with either accessories for these dolls or these dolls themselves. Now, I do have to say that the My Life dolls I have sold before. I don't think I've sold the Our Generation dolls, but the My Life dolls I've sold before and sold them for really well, for around $30 on Amazon, and I've been able to find them on clearance at Walmart for around $10. So I've been able to make about a $10 bill on them when I sell them after fees. And so I'm hoping that that might still be the case with this doll. They're still all the exact same kind. And you know what? Because I have so many, I would not be opposed to actually creating a listing on Amazon for this particular doll simply because I have so many. And so that's an option too. If I can't find them on the Amazon.com website, I may want to just create the listing. Although the easiest thing to do would be just put them on my hookedonpickin.com website and offer them at a super discounted price to you guys. All right. Oh, my arm's not long enough to reach the bottom. Okay, it can. All right, let's walk around the side, see if we can reach him from this way. So there's a few other things in there eventually when I get to them. Have to kind of figure it out. All right, let me see. I did just lower this a little bit. Just don't quite have long enough arms. There we go. I'm just gonna keep pulling the joy ones out, but it looks like there's a lot more variety in the bottom of the box, so we'll find some other fun things in the bottom of the box. Sorry you're having to see all the same thing being pulled out, but at least you know when you see Our Generation what you're looking for. Whole table of joy. All right, what else do we got in here? We got another size large gray robe or PJ set. Another joy doll. All right, what is this? This is Personalize It chalkboard. So just a nice square fun chalkboard. So that might be worth something. If not, that'd be a fun thing to donate to like a classroom or something. Got some craft sticks in here. Softworks No Spill Ice Cube Tray. So it doesn't look like a Target brand, which is always beneficial because a lot of times Target brands don't show up on the Amazon website. Occasionally I find some Up and Up brands, which is the Target brand. Here's a Mr. Coffee, brand new. I think I got this in the last pallet that I opened, but it wasn't brand new. So that's actually beneficial. All right, I'm gonna climb in here and see what I can get. So I got a couple more Joy dolls. And then I've got paper towels, which I'll probably just keep here in the shed because there's been multiple times I wish I had napkins over here. Some cute Mad Love little flip-flops, fuzzy ones. Mad Love ones sell really well for me on Poshmark, and so I'll probably be putting those on Poshmark. Some kids' little booties. This is 7/8, and these are 7/8, so that's going to be nice. I just make one listing. I'm just going to hang those right there. Cacti? Cacti, anyone? Do you like a cactus? Try me.
Oh, cool.
It's a glowing cactus.
Hold on, let me get a better angle. That's not coming out too great, guys, but it is really cool. Really nice.
It's like a neon green.
Really
and let's
nice.
see if this other one works. That one, oh, it's not plugged in. Hold on. I don't know where it plugs in at. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get it to work. It just came unplugged, is all. Okay, ready? Yay! It does work.
Cool.
All right, those are really cute. Okay, don't want to break those.
I should tip the whole pallet over.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. All right. Got some dinosaur slippers. Build-A-Bear Workshop dinosaur slippers. Size 6 and size... Looks like size 6. Yeah, they're both size 6 for little kids. Just put those over there. Okay. And then I've got a bunch of napkins. Really nice set of kitchen towels, actually. And they're all, there's a white, a black, and a red. Let's see if we can find all of them. Okay, so I've got 5 sets of those. What else is in here? Here's another pair of Mad Love little flip-flops, size 9s. So that's going to be convenient. All right, let's see. This says Supernatural, join the hunt. So I'm guessing it's from that Supernatural show that's on TV. Burt's Bees body lotion. They're the ones that make really good like chapstick and stuff. So I've got a bunch of those. It looks like they're all strawberry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to put them down in the corner here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of those. And then these are what? Oh, little handle knobs. You put them in like a drawer, dresser drawer, whatever, but they're the ones that have a flip down knob on them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 5 of those. What is this? This is a police security Try Me. I think it's a flashlight and I don't know. It just looks like a flashlight. A really heavy duty like pen type flashlight. So I'm not sure. I'll have to see if it works. It's supposed to be an LED police inspector light. This is a chalkboard coffee cup, like a little string up chalkboard coffee cup.
Important, man.
Yes, some little party blower things. Some plastic Christmas cups. Bath pearls. You drop in there. What else we got in here? Slippers. Those will be perfect for Poshmark. Here's another one of these. Here we go. Works good. And then let me see. Here's another handle thing. Here's a XOXO P.S. I Love You, You and Me wood stamp set. The stamp set. And then we've got a slip cover, brand new. Everything does look like it's in actual brand new condition. So this is for a love seat, not a full couch. And the last thing we have in here looks pretty important. A charging station for a PS4. Now this is something that I probably will send to the bulk. This is supposed to be brand new and it's not. It's ripped open. So this would be something that I would fuss at them a little bit about. So, but it's a charging station for 2 PS4 players. So this might be some good money. But like I said, I paid $219 for them. For this, with $76 of shipping, $295. So I definitely think if I can get maybe $10 a piece out of the My Life dolls, or not My Life, Our Generation dolls, then I could probably get some good money out of it. So hopefully I can make at least that. I'm hoping for a little bit more, but that's quite a few. Let me see, I've got about 6 deep, and I've got 6 rows of those. So I have about 30 or 40 of those dolls. So 104 items, a lot of duplicates. And so hopefully I can make my money back. Definitely things I know will be on my Poshmark store. But if you want any of these things, check out my hookedonpickin.com website or my Poshmark store. And then if you can't find it in any of those places, then go ahead and shoot me an email and I'll send you the link of wherever I listed it. And then of course we have the 2 rollers games over there. So I'm going to do a second video, let you know exactly what I think I can find out if that Our Generation doll is actually on the Amazon platform and if anything else is on the Amazon platform, because I love to do Amazon. It's the easiest. So I'll tell you that in the next video. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.